guys, my name's Olivia, also known as Jetlag Liv, and welcome to another episode of the Florida Beach Tour. If you're new here, hi, my name's Olivia, and I'm currently on something called the Florida Beach Tour, which basically means I'm hunting down and finding the best Florida beaches so that you don't have to. And I'm sharing them right here on my YouTube channel. So go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. Today, as you can see, there are beautiful dunes behind me. We are going to tackle Washington Oaks State Park, I think is the name of it. I'll put it on the screen as well, or Washington Oaks Garden. Either way, this beach is supposed to be unlike any beach that I've ever seen in the state of Florida. So I'm really excited to get on in and see just how beautiful this very unique beach is. Okay, so I guess you I don't know if it's COVID related, but you use the honor system to pay your fee to get into the beachside part of the park. So you have to pay a fee. All I've got are quarters. And I guess it's just like the honor system, so. And this is my stub. Is this gonna stay closed or like? Okay. Hope it stays in there. A lot of rules, okay. Excited? Okay, first impressions, it's just a beautiful, really big beach. But upon closer inspection, you can see that there are huge rocks in the sand and in the water that I think are coquina rocks, which is I'm about to sound like a nerd, a native Florida rock formation. It's probably wrong, but let me show you guys. If you want to know something cool, I'll tell you something cool right now. This coquina rock formation, Seth, is the second
coquina rock formation.
According to my calculations, also the internet, this coquina rock formation is the second largest on the eastern seaboard, or on the east coast, or on the Atlantic. Probably should have.
No, you're the one.
I probably should have memorized that a little bit better. But guys, check this out. It's huge. All right, guys, check this out. This is so cool. And they go for miles, I guess. I don't do distance, but damn, that's not far. Okay, so I know this doesn't seem like much because it's literally just like a bunch of rocks on the beach, but they're massive. Like, they're way bigger than it seems. They're so cool. Check it out, guys.
What?
Are you stuck?
No, you're not. Oh my god.
Oh my god. Just kidding. I'm fine. Guys, we made such a good decision coming here for like a late afternoon beach day. The sun is like behind these clouds. It's cool, it's breezy. You can actually walk all over these without your feet like burning or bursting into flames, which is nice. But this is we've just been playing around on the rocks. It's like a playground. Anyway, it is so much fun. We're having a blast. And I think we might go dip our toes in the water, but just our toes, because there are coquina rocks in the water as well, which could be very dangerous, especially with the rip currents that we have in Florida. So we might not do the whole thing, but we'll check back in with you guys a little bit later. All right, so we left the state park and we're actually back in Flagler. It's actually pretty close to where the state park is, Flagler Beach, which you saw in my last week's episode. But there is a cute little taco shop that you can supposedly get some delicious bites. And if there's one thing that we love, it's tacos. So let's go see what we can get into and maybe do a taste test for you guys. Be sure to tell us how hot you like it on a scale of 1 to 10. We're talking Heidi Klum hot. That is so funny. Look at these good options. Right. So we brought our tacos on the beach. It's so beautiful out and I really love the vibes at sunset. Look at that, guys. I got what they call a Mexican UFO. Seth got the same thing, but he has mahi-mahi. All right, take a bite. Try it. This is so good.
That's really good.
10 out of 10?
Yeah.
Oh, sweet. Look at that. All right, here we go. Ground beef on mine. I'm gonna try it. Oh my god. Oh, it is spicy. Oh my god, that's so good. So good. That's so good. Alrighty, we just got done with dinner. Oh my god, look at this car. Get this car. What is that? Is that a Lamborghini?
It's a Lamborghini.
I'm so poor, I don't even know. We had such a great time. That sunset was so beautiful and the tacos were so good from that little taco shop. But overall, I have to rate the beach that we went to. We went to Washington Oaks State Park or Washington Oak Gardens, something like that. I never for sure found out what the name was. But that beach was a 9.5 out of 10. It was such a beautiful beach and it was so unique with all the rocks and everything. So I don't know, comment down below, do you guys think that is super cool? Because I was just like amazed by all the coquina rocks. But make sure you guys give this video a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to join me in my adventures on the Florida Beach Tour. That's all I have for you. I'll see you on the next one.